elevation and actually a larger landmass. This is, out of 8, this is the 3rd smallest, but it's also the 3rd oldest. This island's about 600 square miles, tallest point about 4,000 feet, and it is made up of 2 volcanoes like Maui. This is all one volcano, all the landmass you see out in front of you. This is the Ko'olaus, 35 miles long and about 2 million years old. You wanna go see that? Yeah? Put the microphone just a little bit closer for me so I can hear you better.
I said, is that the hole the planes came through? The Japanese? I know they came through some kind of a hole in the mountain.
Yeah, it's over on the west side. We'll see that in half an hour or so. Kailua, they got a Whole Foods and a Target down there. Pretty nice beach too.
It was a beautiful beach.
Yeah.
The black beach, though, that was just some black rock.
Yeah, that's not over on this side. Molly, you saw that, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
I can't imagine seeing this every day. Has to be terribly awe-inspiring.
You're getting a good day. Yesterday wasn't as nice. So you couldn't even see the Ko'olaus, the ridgeline yesterday, the top, so never saw it once.
Well, then I'm glad we're here today.
Yeah, right? You picked a good one. The colors you see out in front of you, this is Kaneohe Bay. Darker the blue, the deeper the water. The coral reefs are pretty brownish color with a nice white sand on top. You ever seen an episode of Gilligan's Island before? Yeah? That island out there, Coconut Island, that's what they used in the beginning of the TV show to describe what island they were lost on. They did a pretty good job of making you believe it was out in the middle of the ocean, didn't they?
Sure did.
Right? Use that microphone. You say somebody lives over there that you know?
My daughter lived here some years ago, but she was here for 9 years, and she lived right over there by that breakwater thing.
Yeah. She in the service? Just at the military base out in front of us.
Just a young girl on an adventure.
Oh, cool.
The tunnel through the hills over there, how far does that go?
So that's the H3 that you're looking at. I'll do a turn, so I'll put it in front of the helicopter so everybody can see what you're talking about. Most expensive freeway in the United States. I can't remember exactly how long, but it goes all the way to the base right there, and it leads all the way into Honolulu. The reason why they built it is for the military. $1.8 billion. There's about 1.5 miles of it that's actually in the side of the Ko'olaus. $1.8 billion. Yeah, you should probably go drive on it. You paid it. You paid for it.
Yeah, we already did.
Yeah, really? Unfortunately, we're probably playing the interest on it right now.
How long ago was it built?
So it went into service about 20 years ago, and it took about 30 years from all the planning to all the building.
Is it a worthwhile drive?
I mean, you're not going to get this view, but when you drive out of it, from the town side to this side, it's really pretty. Even both sides have its own beauty, you know, because they're just really pretty valleys. On the other side, you drive through the Halava Valley.
Yeah, and there's a place where you can pull off up at the top, go out, look down over right into the valley. It's beautiful. Nice.
Yeah, if you get a chance, Glenn, Jade, driving around this island is really nice. Like, you could spend 2-3 hours, but that's just like making a lap and never getting out of it. You could make a whole day out of it.
Yeah, being on the wrong side of the road just doesn't work for us.
What are those round things?
That's coral reef. That's actually how it grows in those circular shapes. You ever seen the movie Cocoon? Yeah? Doesn't that remind you of it? You know, they put the coral in the retirement home pool, and all brings them like...
Yes, they did.
I'm kind of dating myself with that one, Nora.
I'm way beyond that.
I woke up today and had gray hair. I don't get it. If you go to the movies, if you're a moviegoer, you might recognize this right out in front of us. From the movie Jurassic Park Lost World. That backdrop was in about half a dozen scenes, as well as this helicopter. Identical to the one in the movie. That was actually one of our helicopters. Yeah, see? Yeah, you're a movie star. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Very cool. Jurassic Park is very scary.
We're going to go check out this valley up ahead. It's the Oahu Valley.
Is that Chinaman's hat?
Looks like it, doesn't it? It's a Hershey Kiss down there, huh?
Is this where they do the zip lining?
Yeah, so they do some really nice tours back here. Zip lines, horseback riding, ATVs. That's all part of the Kualoa Ranch.
How long does it take to come over here from Waikiki?
Safe an hour and a half. But you could probably do it in 45 minutes, 50 minutes.
Cool.
Usually we get a couple bumps back here, just the wind rolling up over the ridges.
It's not even scary. You're a very good pilot.
Oh, thanks. You're gonna love the backflip.
I thought there was a lump schlock on this place.
Yeah, right. Glenn, the road that takes you around the island, this is why I like it. Doesn't, people from all over the world come and visit this island, and you seem like you got a pretty good sense about you. So if you do drive around the island, it's just a 2-lane road. People are going 30 miles an hour, so.
Yeah, we still might stay on a bus.
I'm the same way, man. That's the turning. Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah.